Are you looking for a YouTube scraper that can scrape all of the videos, SEO material of any YouTube channel on your system? You are in the right place. I will provide you with a Python bot that can scrape all of the videos of any YouTube channel bot. This will save all of the details, YouTube video MP4, with title, tags, and keywords, description and hashtags, video thumbnail, and video language and category, etc. Why do you need this bot? This bot has multiple aims. First, you can get videos data including SEO material of your competitor's channel, and you can analyze/compare with your channel. This will scrape all videos of your competitor channel with all details. Second, you can scrape your videos as backup. Can be useful when your channel will have some issue in future, and you will be able to use these data with save setting to create another branded channel. What I will provide: a YouTube bot with Exe setup plus guy with one-click install and run it to save efforts of months. So what wait for? Order now and scrape any channel you want.